Wasn't it for me?
Hi, I'm Meggan Grubb and I'm a YouTuber.
I gave you 1, 2, and 3 times that wasn't my good.
So I'd say my style is quite vibrant. I like to use colour to express my mood. When I wear colour, something about it makes me feel more confident.
Wasn't it for me?
I wanted to create a fashion collection that was designed for everybody, regardless of your shape or size.
Wasn't it for me?
My collection has a mix of everything in it. So we have some prints. I wanted to get some bright colours in there, some neutrals, bodies, dresses. I think my favourite piece in the collection is probably the leopard cowl-neck mini dress. The material on it is so luxurious and it's the perfect date night outfit.
What's in it for me?
InTheStyle.com